To take roll in Cornerstone, the first thing you need to do is head over to the information page for your workshop. To get there, hover your mouse over the ILT button in the top nav bar. Remember to hover over the button rather than clicking on it, because clicking on it doesn't do anything. In the drop-down menu that appears, please select View Your Sessions. This will bring up a calendar where the only sessions that are listed are the ones that you are leading. I'm going to click through the months until I get to the CPR training for March. Once I click on the name of this training, it takes me to the training information page. I'm going to scroll down, and toward the bottom of the screen on the left, I'm going to click on the link for View Roster. This takes me to a page with a whole lot of stuff on it, but don't worry, we're actually not even using this page. In the upper left corner, go ahead and click on the tab for Attendance and Scoring. In this example, we're going to pretend that the class already took place and that everybody except for our test dean attended. So I'm going to click in the checkboxes for everybody except for the test dean. Then I'll click the Save button. A pop-up will appear letting me know that it can take up to 15 minutes for the attendance to process. Once you click the OK button, it will often still show 0 of 1 part attended for everybody. But if you wait the 15 minutes and then refresh the screen, it should now show as 1 of 1 part attended for everybody who came. If it's been over an hour and it's still showing as 0 parts attended for people that you marked as present, email Carrie Nakayama at knakayama@elcamino.edu.